Hey guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia, and happy Prime Day. Leave a comment down below on what you guys picked up from Prime Day. I know I got some pots and pans and I got a few other things. Really, I didn't need much, but I did pick up this beauty. So this one actually comes from the line Butter Lace, and this is from the makers of Sensational with their What Lace line. So it's been years since I've done anything like this, so please y'all, I'm a little bit rusty. Okay, but anyways y'all, this is their HD lace front wig. Shall I say lace part wig, because it's not really a lace front, but it is their clear HD lace. But sis, did y'all see that lace out? Yeah, that lace was not clear. Alright, so what I'm going to do, like I do most of my transparent lace wigs, is I tint it. Now if you are a beginner, definitely pick up some lace spray. You can find that on Amazon. I'll link a really good one down below for you guys in case you guys don't know how to permanently tint your lace. Yeah, I'm more into this. This is my comfort zone. I like to use the RIT dye in the color caramel, and I take some boiling water and just kind of dunk the lace in there. This is a permanent tint, so it won't come off, but you do need it to dry overnight. All right, so after it's dried, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. Y'all know how I do. I just use my eyebrow razor and some shears. Okay, so now that I went ahead and got that lace cut off, you guys can see how it looks, as well as that tinting of the lace. Hopefully it's going to melt right down into my complexion. Now right here, I'm just going to go ahead and get the wig on. I do believe the fit is really nice, so if you do have a bigger head, it will fit comfortably. Now I'm going to customize this wig to my liking so that it looks the way I want it to look. That means I'm going to cut down the baby hair a bit. I'm also going to go over the lace again with some foundation. I'm also going to do some light tweezing and tweaking. None of these things are a requirement. It's completely optional, but once I am done tweaking it a bit, I will be right back.
Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. She feeling on the nigga.
So for the Meltdown, I am using my Got To Be glued gel just on the back of a rat tail comb. I'm just placing that gel on top of the lace just so that it can really help melt down into my skin. I also like to use this elastic band to further help it. And you can take your hot comb just to kind of, you know, flatten the top of the hair, as well as some concealer for that parting space, y'all. And I'm also going to put a little bit of foundation on that lace just to kind of help it, you know, blend in with my complexion, because sis, this lace is just way too light. I mean, come on now. Girl,
you feel like my best. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy ya, say she give me pommy ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the think so. Girl, pommy ya.
Okay, so years ago, I used to spray deodorant in my hair when it was too shiny. Let me know what you guys do. Some of you guys use powder or dry shampoo. I use deodorant and it worked and it smelled really nice. Just make sure the room is ventilated, okay? But anyways, guys, so this is how the hair is looking. Y'all saw all the details I put into this hair. I didn't do much, but for those of you guys who are watching me for the first time, you can watch any of my videos if you really want to know what I'm doing, but it's really redundant for me. I do this in every video, okay? But y'all, this hair is really long. I do believe it's like around a 30-inch. So yeah. But right here, I'm just going to style the hair in a few really quick styles. So if you guys want to wear it out of the face, you can do that. If you guys want to wear it with a few little like curly pieces in the front. You can even take a curling iron and make it a little more curlier. You can do it like such. Also, you can wear this hair in a ponytail, but it's going to have to be a low ponytail because there's no lace in the back. Or you can just kind of just wear it like that, guys. Again, this hair is about 30 inches long. The density is really natural. The hair is very soft and the texture water wave. It does have that HD lace, but let me know what you guys think. Again, from Amazon Prime Day, Butter Lace. Also, let me know what you guys got from Prime because I'm trying to know. I'll catch you later. Bye, guys.
You are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be